India is home to more than 1.2 billion people. Every year, more than 62 million tons of waste is generated in India. In India, every year, around 3 million tons of waste paper is recovered. Only 20% of it ends up in a facility like this. The consumption of paper is expected to grow over 20 million tons by 2020 from the present capacity of less than 13.5 million tons. Due to shortage of fibrous raw materials such as wood and bamboo, many mills have started using waste paper as their major feedstock for paper manufacture. But it is not recycled here. This is the first step where it's sorted. Everything from padded envelopes to glossy magazines are sent to be recycled. Unfortunately, for the recyclers, there are still several more sorting stages to go through to get pure paper they can work with.
We are using waste paper as our raw material. Waste paper is office waste or the sweep waste from the road or streets, and the domestic waste, boxes and all carton box. But lot of people are collecting in India this waste, and they are collecting and they are selling to somebody. And from the market, this collecting people, we are collecting it, and the different type of materials are being segregated in different qualities at our mills.
The first stage of recycling old paper and make new paper out of it is to pulp it. After this process, the pulp is ready to be used for new paper production. This has to be cleaned again for it to be used to make fresh recycled paper. The pulp still contains ink from the original paper print. To remove it, chemicals and soap are added. Air is pumped through the mix and the air sticks to the soap bubbles which arise into the surface. Here they can be removed. And this is the machine which will turn the pulp into fresh paper. The sheet of emerging paper is now passed through a series of heated rollers which dries the paper perfectly. Even though the pulp was cleaned earlier, the processed paper is still grey, so now it's painted. Two rollers layer on white ink to give its traditional clean appearance. The sheet then passes over air dryers and then it is ironed through the rollers, which removes any wrinkles that it might have. Finally, the fresh sheet is wound onto enormous rollers. Finally, the rolls are stored until they are ready to be delivered.
हमारे यहाँ जो भी रॉ मटेरियल यूज होता है वो सारा पहले रोड्स पर ही जो है फैला रहता था, और हम उसको सारा जो है कंट्रीब्यूट करके जो है उसको इकट्ठा करवाते हैं पब्लिकली, और जो है हम उसको लोकल सप्लायर से खरीदते हैं। तो उस तरह से हमारा जो है जो भी पोल्यूशन पहले जो उसमें आग लगाते थे, अब जो है वो सारा हमारे रिसाइकिल हो रहा है। पेपर इंडस्ट्री का सिनेरियो मैं तो काफ़ी ब्राइट समझता हूँ हिंदुस्तान में, क्योंकि यहाँ पर कैपिटा कंजम्पशन जो है अभी बहुत कम है फॉरेन के मुकाबले, तो इसका फ्यूचर तो ब्राइट ही है।
Every ton of recycled paper saves 17 trees from being cut down and pulped.